what's going on? Welcome to the channel. We're going to set up the Sinclair ZX Spectrum emulator within Retroarch. You will need a USB device of some kind. It needs to be formatted in NTFS and also needs the permissions activated on it or enabled. Do not ask me where to obtain the ROMs because I will not reply. Let's get into it. Create a new folder on your USB device and call it Sinclair ZX Spectrum. Copy and paste your ROMs over to that folder. They can either be in zip or unzipped format. When that has completed, eject your USB device from your PC and insert it into your Xbox. Boot your Xbox up in dev mode and launch Retroarch. Head down the left hand side to import content. Go down to manual scan, content directory, select the E drive, go down to Sinclair ZX Spectrum folder, scan this directory, go down to system name and search for the name. Sinclair ZX Spectrum. Go down to default core and look for the same name. Go down to scan inside archives, make sure that's on. Go all the way down to the bottom to start scan. Press B, go back to the left hand column and select your emulator and run a game. If you want to quit out of this game, press the start and back button. A window will appear. Go down to close content, press B. Now you can select another emulator or game. We've now come to the end of this short video. If you've learned something here, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.